Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Mr. Tech. Today in this video, we will see the 13th interview program on streams. But before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Mr. Tech so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. So let's get started. Given a list of transactions, find sum of transaction amounts for each day. So if we have 5 transactions, 1st Jan 2022 100, 1st Jan 2022 200, 2nd Jan 2022 300, 2nd Jan 2022 400, 3rd Jan 2022 500. Then sum per day would be 3rd Jan 500, 1st Jan 300, 2nd Jan 700. Let's write down our input list. 1st Jan 2022 100, 1st Jan 2022 200, 2nd Jan 2022 300, 2nd Jan 2022 400, 3rd Jan 2022 500. Here we have a transaction class with data members as date and amount, and a constructor along with setters and getters for the same. Now, what all we need to do to achieve our output? Convert array to list, generate a stream from that list. Now, to find total sum per day, we need to group it by day. So again, grouping by can be used. First argument will obviously be date, as you want to group by date, which we can get using the getter method of transaction class getDate. 3rd Jan 2022 500, 2nd Jan 2022 300, 400, 1st Jan 2022 100, 200. So it will give us 3rd Jan 500, 2nd Jan 300, 400. First Jan 100, 200, and second argument should be the sum of all the amounts. That is, we can add all by passing transaction amount, which we can get using the getter method of transaction class getAmount. Now, all this can be done inside a collect method to collect the output, which will be in a map format. So it gives us 3rd Jan 2022 500 and 2nd Jan 2022 700, 1st Jan 2022 300 as our final output. Here is the program of the steps we mentioned. List of transaction input, arranged it as list. We have created 5 transaction objects. Input.stream.collect, collectors.grouping by. Now first argument is transaction.getDate and second is collectors.summingInt transaction.getAmount. And receive it into a map of string integer to get the final result. So we have seen our 13th program on Stream API, the approach along with its code. Remember, there can be multiple correct approaches to attempt a question, and this is just one of them. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.